Rule number 1, become the script. Yes, the first rule in the 7 non-negotiable rules of public speaking is to become the script. What I mean by that is you need to practice and rehearse your presentation so much that you actually become that script, and nothing is going to get you off or to forget where you are. So how do you do that? You must practice 1 hour for every 2 minutes of presentation. That's right, 1 hour for every 2 minutes of presentation. That means if you have a 30-minute speech, you need to rehearse a minimum of 15 hours. Yes, that's how you become a really great speaker, and you become the script. And the beauty about becoming the script is if you're in an audience and then you see that somebody needs to hear a story, or you feel that someone needs to hear a particular story that you hadn't planned on, you're just free to actually share it right then and there in the moment, and able to get back to your regular presentation without a hitch. No more deer in the headlights look, no more lost in space. You will be able to go back exactly to where you left off. And another beauty of becoming the script, it's kind of like when you listen to the radio when you're driving in your car and you hear that song and you start to sing it. You never planned on singing or learning that song, right? You never planned on being able to sing it. You just know the words. That's because you've heard it over and over again. So when you practice your presentation, you must practice it out loud, not driving in your car in your memory, right? Not in your head, not reading it, but instead actually say it out loud. Practice 1 hour for every 2 minutes of speech, and practice it out loud. That's how you will become the script.